What's up, YouTube? It's Agent Phenom back with another exciting product review. So it's Survival Tool month. So today I have this special. Show you off the box. I got this as a gift. LED Carabiner light with fold-away knife and saw. I believe similar item from this costs like $10 from Amazon with free shipping. And I got this from somebody that works at Boeing, so I appreciate that. Big ups. So it consists of the carabiner, where you can put items in here, such as keys and backpack. You can hook this to the backpack or your belt loop. It has a sharp knife. Actually, this is a saw. It's very sharp. Rugged edge. And on the other side, it has a sharp knife, stainless steel. Nice quality. Really sharp. And last but not least, it has an LED light, which is 5 mm. It comes with the 3 small button cell batteries, which I already put in here. So you just twist it off. See, it comes on. And I'll demonstrate later in darkness how bright it is. See what else. Just to show how bright the LED light is. So you just twist it clockwise, slowly. Alright, here we go. It's finally on. It took some justification. So I'm completing the dark. It's got a pretty good light, but of course the iPhone, it's not good quality in low light, but that's just to show you how it works. So this is made of durable aluminum construction and compact design. Convenient carabiner clip. And keep in mind, this is not for climbing. What does it say on the bottom right here? Exactly what I said. Not for climbing. Includes 3 button cell battery, like I said. Yeah, so it's very nice. $10, not bad. You might find better deals elsewhere or when it's on sale. But this is definitely something nice to have, where you can store your keys. You know, you have access to a light and knife and saw and all that good stuff. So hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I would probably give this a 3.5 stars. The price could come down a little bit, but anyway, it's an awesome tool.